And the card is worth... You did it! You won by $30! No pressure. That's it, $1,000! $1,000 losing up. See if this is the big one. Let's go. Your last card is worth... Go. Let's see how much it's worth. This is from Simon Flash, and this card. Go! You wrap the trip, and it's still climbing. You're going on vacation. You got $1,000 more, which means a lot of money with this one. Here comes the airplane. It is worth... Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's worth another $1,000. Right at the top of the show with Cranium Data Pulse. Let's see how much it's worth. Come on, audience. Give me a little energy. Will it be more than $660? Yes. Yes, go. Go. $1,200 for a total of $3,025. Look at all. Let's see who's going to Orlando, Florida. It is worth... Your total is $2,920. You win. Spelling bee. And this card is worth... Go! $2,000. There. When you're ready. This card is worth... Wait a minute. And this card for Lucas's family is worth... Go! $3,000. We got it from Yahtzee Bowling. And this card is worth... $4,000. See if that's the plane that's going to send you to Cancun, Mexico. The playing card is worth $4,500. All right, let's see if it's worth $15,000. Anything over $2,425 will win you that trip to St. Croix. It is worth... Putting that one in there. Let's see if this is a big one. Is this enough to get you to Aruba? It's $5,000. They are going to Aruba. This is the card that's going to tell us who's going on that vacation. This card is worth... Come on. You've already got the trip, all those prizes, and this final Monopoly Crazy Cash card is worth $5,000 for a total of $7,490. With his perfect hair. And here we go. Come on. Go. Wait a minute. Go. It's a big one. You've won the cruise. Jacob, put that card in. Come on. How much is it worth? Come on. Go. Come on, go. It could be worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Go. $7,000. You got it. Gonna be back here. And this card is worth... Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Go. She wants $10,000. Wait a minute. Go. Go. You might be going shopping. You might be going shopping. Oh, I do believe a shopping trip. All right, if it's a big one, who gets credit for choosing it? Look at this. Look at this. You made the right choice for sure. Go, 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 go. $10,000. Lucky Thimble. Here's your final card. You've already won the trip to Hawaii. This is the one you got from Cranium Newton International Airport. Wait. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. And the trip to Hawaii. Put that card in there. Parents, are you feeling good about it? Tell the vegetarian. Whoa! Whoa! You won the trip. Keep going. More money. More money. Keep going. Keep going. $11,420. In there. Come on, airplane. Here we go. And then, oh, look at this. Go. 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 8,000. 9,000. It's still coming out. Monopoly Crazy Cash Card, the Battleship. It's the Battleship. And the Battleship card is worth $10,000. The final card is worth $12,500. Here's the big one, we hope. The last card of the night is worth. Wait a minute. It's not stopping. It's not stopping. The last card is worth $15,000. Okay. Here we go. Your final card. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's going. It's going. It's going. $15,000. Now there's an explosion. Wow. Card. Here we go. Deborah, let's see how much this one is worth. We add to your total tonight. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. $17,500. A total of $24,000. Final, you've already won the trip, and this card is worth to you and your family. You've already won the trip, all the cash, all the prizes, but just for fun, let's see how much the boot is worth to you. Your family has an additional... Hold on. What? Here we go. Ariel, get ready to catch it. You got it.
Jake's family, you've won a grand total of $22,280 and that trip to Orlando.
And the skateboard car is... We want it to land on win. If it is, you've got it. Easy cash machine.
Let's go. New car.
Go, Mom. We got this.
Here we go. Win, go to jail. Win, go to jail. Looking for that win card. And where it stops, you got a car! You got a car! got $6,250. If this is the win card, you've got a brand new car. All right? Good luck. Come on, now hold it. Come on, cat lovers. Wish them luck. Come on. A house full of cats. We won a big winner. Come on, win card. Come on, win card. You've got a new car. Let's go. Cross those fingers for the new car. You got it! You got it! A brand new car! Congratulations. Yeah. All right, so let's do this for Max. If Max is the winning card, Max has won you a new car that he can sleep in the back seat of. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck. Good luck. Put it right in there. Do not be a go to jail card. Come on. This is for Max, the German Shepherd. Yes! They won! They did it! Come on out here! You got a brand $1,000 no matter what. Lily, add a new card to it. Come on. Come on. Lily wants to be a big winner at family game night. And Lily is a